omukaya munwa mukihayo nyowe at least abishe munyenda kubagambira kuza kwata muzindaro gw'abachimbo kagamba hinerevo yo kubawahiko ekinakisimira mukama munonga. Yes, so eshindu kusimira hanga ata akaraini kariya ka anda tukakarenga hati yine so tarhondijo anko tumwebaze na mukaziwe na n'abana be currently. So nyoni nja kushasha munonga nchatinge na Pamela munonga kandi abumya surprisinga akansinikira nyine mutoro cyenda asimiye hayereka balance y'umutwari 10 aza muntu nkogwa kumukure bitinsaje asimiye kusigara y'umutwari 10 umutoro cyenda kazayereze eshagama yishe. So nenda kusimeka eji munonga nyonkanye nijane mutwari 10 abo kwa sekeji mwebale munonga
naho niwe serikali mini student wa BB DFC FC ZYXA wa revo ya PKLM. So you are not the only ones at UCU that use acronyms UCU. I think you have had other acronyms here. But more importantly, underneath, I think, is the message of impact. From where I sit, I think right now we are going to be upstanding and we receive the church and the cortege as we begin today's somber send-off ceremony for Pamela Tumwebaze.
Ruhanga Tate Mwana no mwezi urukwera emitima yitu tugireta hariwe aho nakungo mukama eshahezi hangwe ubwo emitima y'abantu bawe ejuro busasi bwingi ubwo amagaraga yitugine buzo mukama bingi stine cyo kutugarukamo nitweta ngoje oza hagati yitu mukama oteje cyo bunako Ruhanga wetu ogumeni to twikirize tuziche Pamela Ruhanga wita mishogizi tugamuyeho tubeni we twagataho aha bukuba tutekateka ahamanga we have always asked about the powers of death konka mukama kutukweza kuferwa obundo shoturufune tumaramane ne tukizamani konka iwe masiko gitu niwe buhungiro bwitu mbeno marero famani oyikiruzo zo muri ogumwanyo tegeki oyongere kutegeka program zone zikuza kukorwa oyikize kutwebembera ocereza umwoyo watwebembera muri byona otwase mukama kushira munonga aho barukwatu ho munonga aho amagaraga Pamela oyikiza abantu bawe mukama bamzice bahumure bahumuro muri we tugume tutegereze mukama habo kwantu manyira kimwe ngutwe no buturyo mu nsombo ubunako buri yahika turyafa ekiri kusitana samukama n'amazoba neshaha nebro konka twena tuyabo kufa mweno tokwehangana rufu mukama okukira munonga bekeji abana ba Pamela nabanda barukwatu ho munonga okirize mukama habe ho kwehangana tuyihangana muriwe rero byona kubura korwe twatera hamwe tusingwire ubutosha tugume tujo meshoga ukabana bawe simo burungi bwawe n'imbabazi zawe kandi tweshengereza ngo unamusamara kagomzi gustani ubundi akaza hagataha yehimsa agambe gutere bura abantu bawe ubundi aretere mutima y'abantu kugurishazi muntu kushengereza ubona musize kimwamara kagomzi gustani turebo burungi bwawe tutegereze no gumisiriza Kristo Yesu kama wetu amen.
Tugiye tucemerire tugumize ko mugenzi wo kuzika bafu okugura mpapuro 200
arya babimwe bwo kushaba arupapuro y'abishanje n'amwenda kama buti Yesu akagambe bwande binagira ati niyo kuzoka n'amagara urukunzi n'ubwo yakufariya buriye n'umuntu wese buriye kandi urukunzi atarife buri byona nimanye ko umucunguzi wanje abaho kandi karyemerera hansa nkuru umburu rwanje ko bagwamaze bwo gutyo banyuma ndiyare barahanye taguye n'undi reba muri sho ryanje etari yundi yukamwitegereza toyese kintu musi kandi rukwase kuya mu kintu mukama kampa mbenu abinyireho izina ya mukama rasimwe
tena hamwe tuja kugendera hamwe Zaburi ya 39 kandi abina Bible murebe Zaburi jo kandi amina tugushaba murebe Zaburi jambo pa magana yeshaje n'amenda kandi nshaka tugendera mu mankagira anti ndiyari ndemtwarize yanje ndetse kushara nanje kandi yabumba kwakanje umbakiriye mishoganje nawe namakachitata nachurera
cyabure cyangasera
ubwanya kwanje kwayongera umutima gwanje gwa mumemo kuna atekatekire bwayaka bwana gokome nawe nagamba mukama umanyise n'urwanje nabona kubwira byanje ko muri kwingana umanyise kwingo ko ujura reba uyimbere byanje ntabitabice nani yakayanje mishogawe n'ubusha uzimaze umuntu wena nani yakubadumurata n'umuso uzimaze umuntu wena agenda binke kimenyami uzimaze n'abahende cyarabusha umuntu ushagurize ibintu atari kumenya bitwara none mukama mutegereze ki amasiko bwanjye gona gariyemerere ujye no kushanya yona utampiye n'ikiri bw'abashima n'amere tanagira cyoganda aho kuba niyo chikozire unaye kono yawe aho kuba mpiza uzangita kwa n'umuntu n'umutesa kushisha ko umara n'icyo n'ibirunjye kuko niyeje bukira uzimaze mako umuntu wena n'ingamiso ayi mukama umukushaba kwanje utajya kutaka kwanje uteze kuba kwanje akurari yanjye mugeni kandi umuhinduzi kama atatengura tubona inzira mbabazi mbonagaruka n'umwami ndakagira kubura tuna imachebi tugambira mu kitinisa insa cy'abatete yitwe n'umwana n'umukwera kucyera kiri mu kutandika n'ahati mukocuri kandi mukocurwa ebirora amina tuanze kushaba abantu mwene musitame kandi se kwishungura cy'ishura barukora mu munsi abahereza bari yabo kutunga umwanya wo kusitama kandi turi kuza gucomerwa n'ikigambo cyarangi cyanditse abari kwera barusi abari kwera barusi bonarashware abana babahize emirimo abari kwera barusi abari kwera barusi bonarashware
Kigambo kiriyo mu ndirimbo ko yahandikirwe hano kwa ishuri 14 tutandika no mushorongo ayigo kubanza indirimbo ko yahandikirwe hano kwera ishura 14 kutangira mushorongo ayigo kubanza kirya mpapara igana 32 umusingo gw'endaga nansia Emtmanye tarishoberwa mwitirize hanga nanye munchirize omunjira tata harimo myanya mingi yo kuturamu kuri kitaro kityo hati neza kubashomereza umwanya kandi kundi ari neza kubashomereza umwanya ndyagarukaha mbatware yindi okundi nimembeni yo mwatura kandi yindi kuza umuhanda n'umugumanya Thomas yambuza ati mukama wanje katari kumanya kuza umuhanda ntugumanya tuta Yesu yamugambira ati inyamuhanda n'amazima n'amagara taruje harishibona ataravumirinyi kuri mwana nyine na tata nawe mukamanyire ukorga hati nimumanya kandi mwamureba Filipo yamubwira ati mukama wanje torekishibona icyo nkitumara Yesu yambuza ati Filipo ahinga tora niwe tokamanyaga ondebure burarebereshe bona n'icyo kiri kushabusoti torekishe bona tori kwikiriza kumva muri tata kana tata kwawe murinyi ebigande n'ambagambira ati ndiye tuna kureka tata bwo murinyi n'akora mama ye munkirise kumva muri tata na tata kwawe murinyi nishi munkirise abo muri muyunga kigambo ahantu cyagarikira
kasha kwaba kukunda kwanyu kigambo cyaranga tukiterera mu ngaro mukama watasima
sasema
nanisha bangu umuringo gwo kwakirana kandi kuhumurizana kandi kwesigaranga tutendereze nk'entwaza yaba revival na ndakani cyacu kweli twakirane kandi umuntu abiri nangambira yanjye mu government katakweshumbira cyeshumbira mcyo kabisha tukinyanga none cyo kitendereza tushimbe gumenti kimereza kacuka kamagonga muze kitendereza mcyo kamuri bumeyo none kanshane urushema ukifu bakungwazo mzinda rucindete zeje gumbera nesi amaraka ganja abahara jagarenka gakwatimemu kandi ecyonje turi kwingana ntukeza kizana
Kwete tendereza Yesu 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 Marabariga Saye Saye Bonaze Zaza Ewaza Munokozi Eraza Ewaza Sasira Azele Ampura Pure Wachi Secho Sabo Asalisa Ela Oreko Wazi Eva Yesu Tereza Yesu Yesu Kashemeza niwe mukiro abo buri somo aransinga nyondi Reverend Canon Danson tumubaze ndisaba dikoni abo sala dikoni aransinga eka MJs tumubaze ntumanye msasa mwine kantu kumureni ine nekanisa kumureni ine kandi ntumanye tension y'abazicabeja okweri abeshaha n'ibari kugaruka kandi nintwara umugisha bwo kubamanyisa ngo Bishop witu Mkwemera the Right Reverend Associate Professor Sheben Musugwa ya amireyizire y'ababudini mbarara omakaganya gandi kongera izuba yajokera umuhandiki w'ubureburizi Reverend Canon Edison Abasa mudakikeze ncheni manyango abikumbataha akayantera yacho umwana rikora bizumanda nabo cyane shakutumuriza kandi muriza kwatanisana itwe ara batera muntu yakira kandi ubundi ababajeyi abatakumenya kari cyo itu yankore nintwaro kwetonda no kushabukusasiba abuko mundi mejakare nashana zizaba kwata mbona nyenda kushabukusasiba no kwetonda kugira kari y'uburenganzi witu kandi nasume by'uburenganzi bwankore ekayingiza ngo mukoro yasande abantu kwena ngo babanze maranizo baramye kandi byari bintu batandika cheers netandika shamunana mbona shazi baturu batuziraho twabantu zumanya ngo munana twatacerereye kureka nizo zahinguzibwe nimanyanga murebezi kwareje uriyo umubyereme murebezi kwareje nije kuchongera kuchoma chengesa so mbon shawo mutsasire ubona bimtumanye yawe bakubi kandi mbende keji abakuru mbere tubiye twachi mugambi kandi tubimere mutachi nabo umukanya kace naza kuorganize ngabo nazabajabare yaha akano byo bagenze nyimba tachibaga kamize tubimize muka program ko iri Ninyenda kusima bakwaya abajure n'abatajure abatorengera muturubire munenga bizani mwere munenga kandi kuguzara mbonera kukiraho nyenda kusima service providers mena mwere kujja kandi ntware mukishaga mutano ukubanjura abahereza bona bariya kandi andikane n'abarga Uganda Christian University mukono wa Rwanda manyango mugenzi niyo bire nahereza abahereza ngo nanisha bamumerewe tubakira bukuja kutuyenza umbukuru bwanyu mwere kuja tubakira nigenda kwakira abargo mu universities z'izindi sister universities abakuba nabo bari abahereza ngo bemereye ni natubakire tukugoneza no kuja kwa akatinza kubona chance ndisho kuba ko mabariho inshababu mwere tubakire abahore mwere kuja tubakire nigenda kwakira abahore bona abandi abargo mu bureberezo ubu n'ubundi butseriri mwere tubakire
Mabara kujamona mbukuru bwanyu musasire tindabuze mukongatu abakira wanga werezuji. Nigenda kwakira Lay Canonis mwena ayima agomare muzigona amja kwemera n'icyo kutugumya no kutumiriza murekenda akire kandi organizing the presence ya nke kanisa. Mwema wetu bakire mutumiremo twabakire mbukuru bwanyu nabari kugumya ndayikeje. N'abasaide bifoto abakira ninyera kwakira abenkiriza ey'abakatolika b'Abaroma ninde bose sita n'abandi bone nyine n'abafaza barome muri tubakire. Our Pentecostal churches, zone of born again churches, na nishamamara mwana mwenye mtobachile abukarifu netigatuna kandi tumani satwena abakora hoto abachile. Finally ninyenda kwakira ababurizi bona ba nahandi bona abajumbe n'abatajumbe mutubire mutubakire nawe ritwabakire niza kwanjura abaye rero muramunisha nabo umahoro muri soba meta Reverend Emmanuel Gijamu niwegu ubumaya amanya kutukira kandi no chaplain wa Rwanse High School na iriyo mbisaba dikono Reverend Peace na nyenda kurikiraho kandi umwandikira yize ntije kumwakira uko kandi waratumiza ari kutuyajura no kutugambira ibintu byo buri mukuru baje abakira kandi nabandi bari mu position zinda bakoma kwa to nimija ko bakira nibona arikira ko nishamwe master programs aje akira muzindawo agumizemu rwanda mu bizuito mukama agumani
amena moyo
nitunda kumema
Sawokuwa obiwe wa makarani wira mwenuni twenda watu amalite okwichiriza kwituku okwichiriza
abebembezi b'ekanisa mwena family yatumwebaze mwena banyona bekeji family ya UCU mwena kumwijwa mbitinisa byanyu na nitwe twena abantu mbitinisa byitu kamcheze omugishogu kubakira hana no kubebaza kwija kutwatiraho ahabwire nkobu tukushendekeza mwana weitu muhara weitu nyine yitwe tweno kutumintu mweta Pamela Ruth tumwebazi mwene mwebemezwe kanisa mutakizire twatwatanchiro program yitu kabantu babutosha kanye na ninjikura mwe msebona nabashabira babaruho nkana nazo program nanyiniza nza kunyikereza kurigiranye kundi njware nkokunshe nkwani njwara njani wareba ngo bire bwangendaho nabagambe mu juru nti in the last close 50 years one of the gains I have made is to lose hair off my head, and so I ask for the indulgence to allow me protect my gains by covering my head like this. So naza kunchereza omukoro mukore njwirenti nukondi. So that said, hatwakuza our program yokutahegumuri. I must be honest that we have an incredible outpouring of wreaths. Each one of you has brought your own wreath and even represented others who are not able to make it here. But in the benefit of time, we will not have each one of us lay your wreaths. And so what we've done, we've categorized and made some people represent the different categories of mourners that are here. With the choir giving us, or the DJ giving us a background dodge, I am going to invite, and I will invite the following people to come and lay their wreath. They will be guided by A+ Funeral Services in this order. Mwina nishaba mama wetu ina Pamela chara wetu mwebaze yekwateje nimanya it's a difficult time konga muhangana aza kuherezo kubasa urije otechi muri anshandu cyamara let us prepare Pamela's lovely children, Noah and Elijah, to be on standby. They will come and lay their youth after grandmas. It's a very difficult moment, laying the wreath on the casket of a daughter like Pamela. Mwana ni shababu kwa children Noah and Elijah, the children of Pamela, to also be strong and respect their mother by way of laying their wreath. While the children prepare, these incredible boys well brought up, I request that Flora, Becky, Joel, Naomi, Rachel, Joseph, and the entire group of siblings, you also prepare yourself to come and lay your wreath. Bantumabana, Honora, and Elijah, Tubakwatri Shara, that we know that God will be their strength and guide. Abakurataho Nibakuba Pamela, Banyanya, na n'abarumuna. Mubaza ko bakuratirwe ekika kyankwita mwena kuko mukwemanya abakayenje abamwa abakamuma abatoroki abakanyamukuma abakunyamushanga n'abandi abana abumuzinisimiraze abu Pamela naye kandi kuwabo bakuru be n'abanyanyi mwebale ekika kyankwita y'umukwataho mwemanya n'abashomera amazina okwo muri gendo akayenje munwa akaruma ubutoroki kanyamukuma tuyamushanga n'abandi ekayamkwita yani ergayo neza kuba nikora tuba eyakatono abeka yakatono mbembetele kanisa batukize ekayamkwita utumebase yabenaruka nokebo ekimuli ali munani kubi murumawanda for many of you not familiar with this culture, what you have just seen here is a representation of one family. Now there is another family, Abakatono, Kumkayaze, Lucia Korekora, Sheikh Maxwell, William Chunkunzi, Awumujenzi Grace, Awumujenzi William Jisha, Awumujenzi Batariza, Namwena. Bana barakaho, family ya Kasimbra, Mabanje areba ihembe n'abandi. So in family ya Katono, ebendiro gusize ekiya Katono. Bazakura kwa family ya Kasimbra. Mabanje areba umugenzi ihembe n'abandi. That's also the family where I come from, the Kasimbra family. Abazakura twaho eka ya Banyagente abine kwa Agnes n'abandi. Eka ya Banyagente nezakura twa family ya Abaho na family ya Twingiyo wananishamba stand by Warga chuo cha family ya Banyagente. After the double family of Baho and Twingiyo, we shall be followed by Mbareva Chi and family, the Barije family, and the Katongo family. Let us try to come as a man in the bus. The Mbareva Chi family, Barije family, Katongo family. These families graduate together to lay their respective lips. All maternal uncles and aunties, please be prepared to join after this. We appreciate families in this part of the country have a lot of intersection. Don't be surprised to find someone belonging to 3 families or even 4. There won't be any case of incest, it is just the way it is. As all maternal uncles and aunties prepare on their way here, all cousins, all nephews and nieces, which, if I'm not mistaken, is possibly 80% of what's in our presence, means little I can say. That's the Raja family. All cousins or nieces and nephews. And that is the same family of people. You will also find me being a member as perhaps one of the oldest nephews, older than our own aunt of family. Today we recognize and have received over 76 wreaths, and I have a list of all those wreaths that have been recorded. In the interest of time, I may not read all of them in this order, but this list has been given to the family for the family to know who came and condoled with them. Thank you all. Now cousins and nephews and nieces are now, these that we see are nephews and nieces who are now headed to where they are with. That is also my category. But as you know, all the cousins will also where they are with. And as the cousins now prepare to lay their wreath on the casket of their beloved sister, UCU staff, that's administration and management, please prepare. You will also come with your student leadership so that we have one category from UCU to come and lay your wreath. That will be after the cousins here, Pamela. Cousins now is UCU, management, staff, students, representation. Thank you so much. And after UCU, the Katera family, please step forward and also lay your wreath. Abatakaba kugoshora. And the Krajan and Shababa and Tara to take a Shaba UCU, Bakunzimu to go to Malawi too. So again, God is a good Mark and the new Uganda initiative. You will follow. Katera family and will be followed by Mark and the new Uganda initiative. The family of Canon Lubondo, I will put you together with your most prominent son, who is Ernest Mbondo's institution, which is the public petroleum authority of Uganda. You will follow. the family of Kanin Lubondo, and then the team from Petroleum Authority of Uganda. As you make your way here, recognize the youth, and a huge condolence message has come from the Ministry of Local Government, and it has been delivered to us, signed by the Permanent Secretary, and the wreath is also here. We thank you, Ministry of Local Government. Now this is Petroleum Authority of Uganda. I believe it's led by Dr. Kumshishi. Thank you very much for supporting your colleague, Joel Tumuraze. Twamara program yokweta hemuri ekanisa yayinchiriza mutumize muna program yitu eyokutonzya wenu nanyisha wangu achekeji mwebale kwaya nanyisha wangu Diocesan Secretary. Thank you very much for honoring our invitation and for joining us as a family to guide us spiritually as we lay to rest the body of our beloved Pamela Ruth Tumwebaze. I request all of us mourners to put our hands together and thank the church for now being fully constituted. And with their indulgence, we will now perform this brief session of eulogies, and it will be conducted in both English and the local dialect for the purpose of comfort among those that will be called to speak, so they speak in a language they're most comfortable with, while being cognizant of the fact that everybody ought to pick their message and appreciate it. So there will be some slight translation, walking the tightrope of not diluting the message so that it remains as relevant as it was delivered. Mbona shabangu abwiroho munyikirize nyete mukuru w'ekika oratwakira omwanya ogu omwizina ry'eka Nourish family mpango, the bigger family from which the late Pamela comes from, and this is none other than Mzee Zedekia Kawukora, who will come to speak in that capacity. Sebo twakwakira kandi twakwebaza kwijaje ukajwekera organda rw'abakimbiri.
Kanisa Mama Roy neka yawe aba UCU mwenu mbitirisa byanyu mwena buri omwe omukitendesa kye nitwara omugishogu kubakira omukeji ya Chelsea tumwebaze n'omukyara we n'abaana omukika ky'abakimbiri okushyira munonga ekikutandikana rwa buri jongo owazeire nkwita owazeire Chelsea nkwita kazarwa na Katono niwe tata kazarwa na Kasimbura niwishe Ndyareba n'abandi yareba bona abakurwa mu Kasyate akazarwa na Agnes Banyagente ajwicirwe Misha ya Kinyezirike na Mirgeri Urugirembare kandi kimwihire mbare no kugira ngo Pamela kakwata umuhanda aza kumuronda yamushangayo mwene kikeki kigwerirwa kagwe ekikeki kigwerirwa kagwe omwana weitu yeitwa kubi yeitwa kuroja ngo arweire kuroja ngo agwire mu accident kuroja ngo atirwe stray bullet kuroja ngo atirwe nkuba ebigambo bikabire bindi konka eisirwe yeitwa yanganugwa yeitwa yafa turiyo tuzika Pamela mbere stamiro emikoro yonereireho ahabwa Pamela ngiberengerumu oyo kubanze yagire narya customer nahurira bagambi yagire aha Emperor Hotel nkabanduho nahurira UCU neboroga na misinga UCU eyankoyo horo tindagireyo akanka traveling aneja kunuya kurebe bya kunuya roinka kurabaho nkokonjoru narabaha Joel hanuya ebigambo byona ndihurire nangwa nanye nkaba nagireho UCU kureba Pamela nashange kinyiriro cy'abana bishomero kirya wa ofisi ye hona Pamela ebigambo bibagambire ibikorwa birunje byakoze umunsi niwe yakufira atyo kunkwikaho nkaba kunkwikaho mpurama ngambwa konka ekaniseje n'ekintu kikuru mulonga nimbize mmanyo murumo gwanyu ngo nagwe tugwangwi omurumo gwanyu mujwekera Yesu owagenzere myaka 12 yagenze konkana hata kigiramani ko mwe kumukwana mugamba turomunda hagerekejamo oreba tiyake tegereza faskrasi tubake tegereza omuro Pamela hakahara umwembibo kuyabibazayo yatwaro to kurya Pamela yetabana bondo mu mishomera tumije tureba ati mama ya leto cyo kurya muri kirya hati emicwejo teretegerezibwe yakura yashomaje beno nakabaheda master siyasano yareba ka Pamela karyo mukirasi nikaperformingaje tiyaketegereza kashoma kagenda kahika mukono katuga first class tubaketegereza omuro Pamela hakahara umwembibo ngomuntu aine naryo naranzye nyuma nareba ngo haruhe kintu ekirupe kikwenda kubaho konka yakimanya ngo nikiza kubaho yaba ndeba ruhanga yabira murumu haruhe kigambo bakita premonition n'abarungu munyambi takatshobye premonition hati kusanga umuntu aine nariyo naranzye nyuma nareba ngo hariho ikintu ekirupe kikwenda kubaho konka yakimanye ngo nikiza kubaho konka tino kwarakigire premonition mbeshengere yababurira ba UCU akaheza nagira ati nambwenu eshaheji ruhanga kwa kugera ati umwana wanje Pamela Rugayo ati nkagenda n'ubusingi. A few hours later Pamela bakamwita. Ekyo nimukigamba hoki? Can you interpret it? Nimwabazi yontongene nabe kanisa n'abagentejwe tebyo biroho ndibicharenginga na siyoreje naki konka kumpishizo bunagura yemushi na Yesu wowe ko wakozere byo na utukoratire ndege imyaka yona tumukoratire na yagezere we ebi yakozere nabyo kabamwitire mbwenu tikuzagamba binjara Pamela yageze tubasima kwija kushabira kutwasa kandi eshara zanyu kurigiro kunkureba ziriyo nizikora akandi areba asemaha social media nareba tanka gambisubwa yaba namazima ya tiri kubyetegereza ngo bakwasura umusheja ubo wananjiro wakoze cyagareke ngwero bamukwasire katushabe ngo eshara zituzugumizemo bagambe tujete manyor fohe gwagize iki ahiwaruka abanyankora aba abakari akobaye mwenu mbasa ko mutakubimanya no kubimanya abeyira bakagira ngo keitwemi keitwemi ninyenda abanyankore bakuru nyabara hajoro wakishobora keitwemi nikimanyisaki niga kugira ngo ogumuntu ari mu bwohe nikimanyisaki uriko bari mu bwohe nabasa kose bya bwohe kandi agaruke eitweni mbweni yoni ko kushabana nyu mu tradition religion yanje ojo ningira ngo yagirwe mu bwohe eitwe emi mbeshimba nobuna kugambe birukwingana ki Pamela nakigaruka nimbasima kwisha kubane yitwe okubane yitwoku nagwe no mbazi ogukutambireka mbwe nebyo Pamela mukama ruhanga owakuteyire akwesire izina rye risimu
nani shamu mzee karokora tumutera mu ngaro webali mzee karokora kubemanzo kagambaje. Now folks who may not have picked what he said, I will not labor to translate, not for any other reason but for fear of liquidifying the strength of his message, especially those archaic Runyankole words he used. An equivalent English translation may be a bit hard. But also most importantly, I think I want to thank him for being very firm. I know and have been a witness of how close he was to Pamela, like many of us were. In fact, I've also heard people say, but you mean the Pamela family had to hire a professional MC to come and be a part of this event? And I told them I'm not hired. I am family. Now I'm sure you know, especially Pamela's siblings, how close Pamela was to me. I am trying as hard as possible to be firm and not be overridden by emotion, because again, if I do, what then happens to the rest of those who have to come and speak fondly as they should? So don't mistake my strength and my ability to speak without emotion as being callous or non-feeling, but it is just a coping mechanism of trying to create a facade. twabyetegereza ninja mwabahora abakigoshora abagamba urujungu nani shabombe hati nyikirize Uganda Christian University Mukono to come and make your eulogy, and you'll be represented by no less than the Vice Chancellor together with your deputies. It is my humble privilege to invite you to come and speak about the Pamela that you knew.
Yebare munanga MC kayo mgenzi tumwebaze Mama Roy n'abana bawe n'abanyabzare hejuru ye kanisa baseho n'abanyabo tuyino kushasha nka Uganda Christian University hawa Pamela tumwebaze Pamela hakatubure nyiroro akabiroro usandeji umurongo yo horo bweni atubura nko mudatari kuzagumaho kana agambe bintu kwiyarigira hakatutu nagenda bisho mwana ugu ibiya nagamba ki kana orana agamba naraga kuri kuturaga kandi kirejo tiyararaho shasha na imwe family ya Pamela abo konko kumahurura imyaka yone ya bukura gimazire UCU nashoma nakora kandi ubu hatabe nakora PhD ombye mahuruje Pamela kutwa twabenturondo umuntu wo kwebembera abana obeta Dean of Students na dosa kuko tumweta UCU nkambuga no compound ambient wish Pamela katiriyo nturonda dosa iwet tota yokushaba kwawe atona yene mbasa tega tebyo tinko basa fokutayo aboko nkamureba ine ekiconjo cyo webembeze so Pamela ije yakora interview n'abandi benji abari kumukira nangwe imyaka bwe twiyarigiro mu interview bamwe bagira ngo nashi kana katona kabasa kante bakakira kato tubitu Pamela kakuzire tukayine imyaka nanenga ndogo no mwana tereka tugize aho turebe katumuhe chance turebe abo kuba tukatureba Pamela ine biconjo na muno okora n'abana akayine biconjo by'umutano Pamela tiyabasinga tiyakutunga mu rumogo haza yakora bucweki ihembe yarunda n'abana yabakunda yabatebekansa abantu bazonko mu za drugs abaye tom counseling Pamela yakora ibyo kutangaza ababene bambusa bona bakihayo umutero mungana no barabatakutura Pamela tumwegire mu biconco bingi kababe nakora nabo icyo kubanza Pamela akunda abantu Pamela kakunda abantu Pamela nko kumwara ikishani kiye katura inaka mwenyu ako yaba nashasha yaba inebero kumuteganisa Pamela cyumbugana akushekera tinkaraga Pamela asirwe kubi ranga kamuha ikiconjo cyo kushemera no gukunda abantu cya kabiri Pamela akayi n'umutima gw'umuzeire bwe n'abana ba UCU bafera umuzeire uko akabazamu abakunda rero kandi aba size ye kuba berumena n'abandi banoshuta nawe no mwana nkabona ashuma aba ka size kingo kumukamanya bwe nakatura yo mbanare umo orana ontera kese munyekira atariho mwana yagira ikizibu atakanze yonze kumureba Pamela katashitama akayenda ngo abana bashemerwe nambuye n'ukutwabetiriyo management yatwonka abana aho barukora atarungi atwine gukora renovation atumbuye naha ubuntu buraro cyobo twatamusente twakora renovation ngo abana bakashemerwa nangwa tukatumye tutabana ba Pamela mbuye n'abana bayisi ubona tukabeta abana ba Pamela abo kunda no kwendeza abana ngo babeki cyakashatu no muntu bayine compassion ngo no rusasi wabandi umuntu uri selfless okwendeza abandi kukiro kwa kweyendeza kandi Pamela bari umukozi abaye n'kiconco cyo gukora kandi gukora ikintu akakishemeza kikaragaye kikarebeka kandi ukira munonga abari umuntu rukunda arahanga no mutuma gwe abari umuntu rukunda arahanga bwe hato umuntu nkogo notwana twetuto nutandukota kumwita stand kagira bingi ona Pamela ona bo wamwanje tuyenoka mutero hi nabo kagira ngo bamutera ubona kumwita tukaba winners job bon Pamela twigire oguma tukunda abantu kandi tutaho peaceful relations with others muri UCU Pamela kwa kabiri buri umwe naboroga omuto omukuru abo ko babena nanywa na buri umwe kandi nangwa aturigi nabantu bona bon police twahura mwatugambira ngo haraho mukwatsuro ko budaka hazambuye n'umukwate yibyo na bugambi kwa haraho mutumire nabo tukimanye abo ko twahurana bagira ngo harabe bamushangira nabyo ebyo munje ya Pamela konka koko Bible gamba mu kushokorwa kwa Yohana 14 umushoro ngo 13 kugira ngo bayino mugisha bafere mu ruhanga kandi kigira ngo ebukora byabo biri yabakurata Pamela ebukora byawe buronge biturebere urukore birukukira ebitarukora abantu bakuru kongo kabikora biza kukoratira n'abana bawe tubari kena polisi zaite za HR ezikwata abantu kapamero ko bafire batyo tukacamu ka management ukora habyo kuzika ko byona kurwo byakaba na hati twataho A+ twagishashora byona twabikora kandi cya kabiri ngambire banyanya na bakurube ngo hariho esente zindi ezibeta retirement benefits nangwa na benefits zindi ezakubasa kubera kushomesa abana mbwe nabagira ngo beje kuturaryo muri beje UCU tubabare sente ezo tuzibanjure omushana kandi zihereze nyina naro bundo baratugambire okwatsa akushomesa abana be. Ezi tutayire muri A+ abo kuzika zishyira miliyoni 23. Kandi abo kugira ngo Pamela be nakundwa buri yomwe aba staff n'abegi ba UCU nabo bekozera umurumo barundana sente hati babashitseho miliyoni 28 n'emitwaro 2 izo nezirunda university staff na students. Mbwenu tuza kutunga kanya mamaro ituzukuhereze n'abana bakwatse konka Pamela atakafire akaya atandikira kugambira abanywantu ba UCU ataza ndiyo niza kushwerwa nango yaturekana umushija we owabe naenda kushwerwa azo umushija we gwarwaha mbwena akona ukareta okushemera room staff ya mbaga ya Pamela konko batugambira okushwerwa tureba Pamela mbwena tayi wabutosha haro kureba umuntu oyetubishi Pamela nenki atashemerire ukareba nashanko ine byatindire tutakubyetegereza nangwa kutubintu zo meetings ndeba Pamela tagama tubishi Pamela nenki mbwena newetesa turebe so nikirebe kabe namanya ekiramwite ubundi akaba ino wakigambire akahwera aba security abagambira konko beno rangu she was not herself, she was not her normal self. So security mwebare mwakozire konko mugumizamo nango tukabasabaki omwena zogo muja muturetera hakigoshora tumureba mumutaka tuti nkahariya tureba kwarush hatugambira n'iki yatumira yakora ikintu cyo gwinaza nkeki Pamela iroko humurege rangana ija kwakirana mu cyumba cy'uwayitebekanisiza babare mno.
Thank you very much, Professor Aaron Mushenjezi, for those very, very deep words. But most importantly, for epitomizing the kindness that UCU, for the most part now, is going to be known for. As you spoke, as someone that has had their tour of duty in more places of work than some people here go to church in a year, I can only imagine what it feels like working at UCU. But also, I think, even more is a testament of the kind of person you had in Pamela. And so before I invite the next speaker, I may want to look at the face of the diocesan secretary, my old B, and perhaps in your sermon you may wish to answer this question. Why do bad things happen to good people? And yet you tell us all the time to be good. That's within our control. We can be good. But then why do bad things happen to us, good people? Should we change and be bad so that then good things can start happening to us? That is the question we put before you in brief. Nanibu na nishaba ngumunyisheze hati nyachire Aunt Joy Radje, who will be together with Aunt Corna, Nije as maternal aunties of the late Pamela, and briefly speak about Pam. As they make their way here, I have another interesting message that has come through, and I beg the indulgence of the church to allow me read it. It's a very brief one, because it follows better that from UCU. And this message is from a regional body, an interesting regional body, Regional Universities Forum, it's the Regional Universities Forum for Capacity Building in overall subjects agriculture. It is signed by Professor Patrick Okili, the Executive Secretary, and it's telling us that their prayers are with the family and university community during this trying time. They say, and I quote, Pamela's contribution to higher education in Africa will always be remembered. So UCU, we selfishly want to claim Pamela's contribution, not just at your institution, but across higher education, and not just in Uganda, but in Africa. Thank you.
Abakuru b'edini, family ya umugenzi tumwebaze, royi tumwebaze n'abana be n'abishukuru, fellow mourners. Ito turi abanyarujumbura, hero yazarwa, niyo kai tukwenda kujwekera. Ito tutire mituma kuturire Pamela ngu afire n'emfo yafire. Tutiriho nkuba kigumire tutamuzi with it konka ntushaba mukama atugumye atwamani tukimanye kandi tugera suta pamu akaba ari umuntu wabe nakundwa munonga ombazire bitu abatuzire her grandparents, we the aunties and the maternal uncles. We loved Pamela deeply, and she loved us back. She gave us, she shared with us. Akaba ari umwana urukugaba umurubanye n'enkuru nabishe enkuru umubanyabuzare. That was our Pamela. And then abanyabuzare ntubasima kuja kutuzikiraho Pamela. Abanyanu bitu ntubasima kuja kutuzikiraho Pamela. You see, of course, where she who made her. Tubasima mnonga kuja kutuzikisaho Pamela. And ntumanya Pamela umuburungi bwe akareberera abana bitu yabakunda yabashomesa nababire bagumire Pamela akayine biconco byo kubasa kuba patient with them. She was a peaceful soul. She was a kind person. She was extremely different from anyway. I think there is no way she would have escaped the genes of her father, Charles. You know how Charles used to love everybody. Whether workmates, whether relatives, that was Charles. Then her mother, Roy, Nyoro inantangaza. Na yetabura umuntu wena ngwambushikiho. Warashi. And that was Pamela. How would she have escaped being kind, being good with the genes of her both parents? Thank you, the parents of Pamela, for raising Pamela the way you did. And we shall definitely deeply miss Pamela. And at this point, Sima Roy, obumanzo bwagizere obuno bw'umutano izo turiyo tetema konka Roy natugumya mwebare abana ba Roy mwebare banyanya Pamela ba Habati ba Joel Joseph and her sisters. Thank you so much for being very close to Pamela up to the very end, even after her demise. Our Lord is faithful, Roy. We are sure He's your anchor, is your refuge, and He will have, you'll come over it. It's shock, it's still shock. It will take a while. It is time that heals, but we pray that God continues to comfort you. There is a song in the Kabuk, what is it called, this Kabuk? On page 7. I don't know whether I'll take, since you, Word of Service, since you put it in the book and I don't see you come to it, it must have been a very meaningful song, maybe to Pamela, maybe to who, but it is on page 7. For those who know it, let us sing it. There is a choir that came to Kokonjeru on the vigil that we had when we received Pamela's remains. It did a very good job to sing, and the melodies were consoling. So if that choir could join us sing the last song, the farewell song from Pamela. And it goes, peace, perfect peace, in this world of sin, the blood of Jesus whispers peace within. Peace, peace, by thronging duties pass, to do the will of Jesus, this is rest. Peace, perfect peace, with sorrow surging round, on Jesus' bosom not but calm is found. Peace, perfect peace, with loved ones far away, in Jesus' keeping we are safe and they. Peace, perfect peace, our future all are known. Jesus we know, and He is on the throne. Pamela, Webare, these are the messages in the song that we could give you. Pamela linked us to relatives of her father Charles. We are very close. She bonded her mother's family and her father's family. We are very grateful about that. Allow me take a minute to thank some people from our side who have remained pretty close to us. Right from our childhood, we saw these families stay with us, and they've traveled from our place in Rukunjana and beyond, the bigger Gezi, and these families include the following: the family of the late Canon Dimbiwe, Joy is around, and the other grandchildren and others are around. The family of Reverend Kakoko, who is our cousin, works in Kampala, old, but he makes his way to come to Pamela's last journey on earth. The family of Canon Katunguka, who are immediate neighbors in our village, the village is Rwondogo, and the family of Byarugaba, late Byarugaba, Esther and her children, Mwebare. The family of late Kanterine, who was our cousin. The family of Kazarwa, and those have been really close, especially since Roy lost Charles. Judith, please, where is Judith? Judith, come and people see you and we clap for you. Even the others have been with us, but Judith in particular has been someone who is whom you can't explain. She has given her all, including her social life, to protect Roy. Thank you, Judith, wherever you are. You might not be here running up and down, but she is very, very kind and useful to this family that remained. Thank you so much. Judith, where are you? Oh. She has her sister Jacqueline, but this time round, allow me, she's about to cry. And, thank you so much, our darling girl. And then the family of Biabina Z, who traveled from different parts of the country to come and be here with us. And then the family of Tibenderana, who was husband to our auntie, paternal auntie Julia. They are around. Thank you so much. We've stayed with you ever since, or at all times. You've been around. And then, since I cannot mention each and everybody, I want to thank all the relatives. We saw you. You came and greeted Roy. We met you. Thank you so much. Abanyabuzare ba Tata, abarujumbra, abanyabuzare ba Mawe, abakomoka Nyachenyi, mwebare munenga kuja kutukwatiraho. This is a tough time for us. But with your support, we are alive. Ruhanga, ahumuze Pamela, omubusinje obutaruho. Amen.
Webale Munonga and John for that deep message. In the same latitude, I have been informed and shared with a message from another relative, Dr. Peter Mugenyi and his dear family, who say that they received this very sad news of the passing of Pamela, and the gruesome nature of her death was even more. They convey their deepest sympathy to their dear sister, Roy, and your extended family at this extremely difficult time of distress. At this difficult time, we are sorry that we can't be there with you, but we feel with you. Our thoughts are there with you, praying that God gives you strength and fortitude to go through this trying time. I quote. Another message that has come through from another auntie, but this time from the United States of America, is from Dr. Lillian, who says, my heart aches with you as you navigate this deep and painful loss. Pamela was not only a leader and mentor to many, she was a vessel of God's tenderness, a woman whose life reflected a quiet, steadfast faith. The warmth she carried, the way she listened, the way she lifted others with such sincerity. These were gifts she offered generously, and they spoke volumes about the love of Christ alive in her. The message goes on and on. It's poetic, it's deep, it's regretting. But most importantly, it dedicates you, the family of Pamela, to the Lord and prays for fortitude at this very difficult time of bereavement. Now you will allow me shift the gear to yet another category of people to speak as we first run out of time. We want to apologize that time we may not be an ally, and therefore we may cut some speeches short, but we expect that indeed, when it's all said and done, we'll lay Pamela to rest. May I request that the siblings of Pamela gather yourselves. It's difficult. By the request of the church, they said you should be represented by one person to speak, but I understand the depth of grief. However, let us also be cognizant that the church is here to hold our hands and give Pamela a dignified and decent funeral. So the longer we spend with speeches, perhaps the less of the bells and whistles around dignity and burial we reduce. Aba nabanyanya bakurube nasha barumuna wa Pamela. This is the real parent stock from which Pamela comes.
abagenyi bitubona nombitinisa byanyu. We are very happy to see you with us. Thank you for standing with us during this trying time. On Tuesday during the week, bakanterera esimu shamwenda gwakasheshe. Bangira ngo Pamela yafa. Nabuze nti yitwa ki? Bangira ngo bamwita. Esimu nagikwasa hansi naterera Joel. Namje nti no wanterera yangira ngo Pam yafa. Ntukonka ndabasakwa gatari mazima ntakwa Pam takwasa kwa yagenda. Joel yangira to confirming. Nagarika natera Yesu nabuza nti are you sure she's the one? Bangira ngo yes. Nanyitinikiriza nasimbura muka from Kampala nindara ntinda. Nasimbura naza Mukono. Kuna hitireyo namushangaho namureba face yeye nashanga ruwe. Nagarika natera Joel namugambira it is confirmed. Twatandika kutera masumu. We started by notifying all the siblings, our brothers and sisters. Then bona ko bachimanyire twashoboye kutera gambire mama. Nkantine mango kutera mama esimu. Patangwe yabiri yamara kufa. Nkantine kungamba na mama. Twatandika kutera uriyo mwacharo. Kubagambira tumbe nimwe mwazayo. Mumugambire mu muriyo misho atagire cyabaho tutaruho. So ibyo kubyabireho twatandika kwetereza kureba okuteragumize mu misho. Ninjira ebinji bakuru banje bakubigambaho konka polisi yakora investigations, and in their investigations batugira ngo omwisi akataho munju either during the day ningo mwazio akaba Pamu akabatahiro weye shanki nago mwazio gociro kagaritsire n'abana beye. Polisi yagira ngo maybe umukozi akashobora kwigura gate umushuma yataho munju yayesherekamo ningo mwizoba probably umushuma kafuna gapu yatahamu yafunaho yayeshereka yarinda Pamu yatahamu bari yasapa n'abana n'umukozi bashaba buri umwe yazo mu kitanda ko bari mu kitanda ko umukozi akahurira umuntu kutambatambura mu nju. Umukozi kwashobora kureba areba umuntu watakumanya. Umushija mukanga amushabe ishumurizo cenju koza katinye cyo gukora amuhe ishumurizo. Umushija yigurenju ashohora. Umukozi azumutishenge kucebera Antway kucebera Pamu kwahikamu bimushobera tayebera umuntu wena ayeta abana bazayo bamureba abana batandika kutera amasumu bakuronda ubuyambi. Umbantu baterire akariho driver yirukanga kwata kapiki ayijomuka bamukiriza bamuteka mu motoka bakaba takumangu yagenzire bamwisiya hirwaro umushaho kwagira ngo yagenze ko driver kandi amanya akanterera esimu kirukanga nkahikayo nkashanga yagenzire. Muntu tufuna amakuru mabenji nyumwazio ngo mushija bamukwasire ngo bamukwatire budaka nko vice chancellor yayagambire ntushaba ngo ba investigating kurunji tumanye motive ekeryeha because niba bakumukwata bakatugira ngo bamuteeke omu kihome, niba bakugira ngo yamaramu emyaka 3 tuturaterere tutakamanyire aha bwaki yakikozire. Akaana akora wenka akaine ruwango kina Pam. Nobara we amwisire kubi. We have laid her to rest honorably. Kunkinduka nkareba mwena nkoko muri nindeba ngo mwamuhe ekitiinisa byo niba burenga bamugambaho. I am very proud to see all of you here with us. Mbiyoneshamo condolences message z'abana ba UCU, z'abashomesa ba UCU, even from the general public. She was loved. She was loved. She was a very nice human being. And the only thing we learned from her death is that we need to live honorable lives. We need to create an impact to everyone around us. My elder brothers and sisters will say more. They will thank, they will introduce, but I want to send my appreciation to my where I work, Khan General. Thank you for coming in. Thank you. Pam, rest in peace till we meet again.
Clergy present, all protocol observed. I'm going to try and be brief. 14 months ago, we stood here, and as a family, we grieved the loss of our dear father. Today, we are still healing and living in that pain. On Tuesday, Joseph called me and told me this news. And of course, we pray that justice prevails. But when he told me, my first thought was of our mother. How would she bear such news? I told Joseph I'm driving from Entebbe to Mbara immediately to be with her. I found her surrounded by relatives and friends, and I'm very grateful to all these people whom I found there. Mommy, you gave birth to 9 children. Today, 6 of us remain. I thank God that in addition, we surrounded with over 20 brothers and sisters who lived with us at home as we grew up. Mommy, we love you. We shall continue to stand with you. To my brothers and sisters, let us give Mommy peace. Let our unity be her comfort. Let us not burden her with our mistakes, with our messes. Let us live lives worthy of the sacrifices she has made. Her physical and mental well-being is our priority. To my maternal and paternal relatives, thank you for standing with all of us. For me, when I see the love that you always show us, it is overwhelming. To my colleagues at work, thank you so much. My boss, my colleagues in the directorate and staff, thank you so much. To my entire school friends, thank you so much. Mommy knows most of you. You always come here to be with us, and I really don't take it for granted. To all my social circles, thank you. To the Nkokonjeri people, thank you so much. To the Ruwaya community, thank you so much. Pam, rest in peace.
I will specifically talk about Pam, protocol observed. Pam and I moved together our lives step by step. But Pamela was more humble, calmer than I was, and even than I am today. She lived her character with faith. She's been deeply prayerful. People have talked about it. She trusted God quietly and steadily. Even when she had a problem, she prayed. Pamela prayed. She prayed, she fasted. And in her simplicity, in the most beautiful way, she always came through. She was always full of quiet charisma for all those who interacted with her. Very giving, very loving. She gave herself to people, but she also shared whatever she had with people. So it continues to amaze me how someone can enter into Pam's space and brutally murder her with her kind heart, her calm eyes in her space. If Pamela lifted her eyes and looked at you, you would sympathize with her. All of us as siblings, especially the girls, even Joseph, we always sympathized with her. We did almost her errands, all her errands, because we would wonder, how will Pamela move? How will Pamela takuchibas? Hona Pamela yaza kuronde chokujara, and we would be calling and moving around for Pamela, because her innocence, her gentleness, takata kuma bintu byokujabirira, tarukumanya bintu byokuzawa akanyangarara. Twakunda Pamela, twamureberera omuzuguyisha yatwaka Pamela in the most brutal way. And I'm sure the person who took her really had also tested her kindness. For UCU community, thank you very much. Thank you for loving Pamela. Pamela found peace. UCU defined Pamela's values, defined Pamela with who she was. When we were to join university, our father insisted we had to go to Uganda Christian University for his reasons, because his auntie, our grandfather, Reverend Nyorozi, at that time was in UCU. So he insisted we all had to go to UCU. But we went to UCU, and UCU shaped us, shaped our faith. But for Pamela, it gave her what it didn't give most of us: values, faith, God, compassion, and it gave her family. It gave her community. Thank you very, very much. There are times when Pamela would be home, you're on holiday, it's Christmas time, but Pamela is in meetings with students, and you're wondering, Pamela, koryom holiday, katuryom Christmas, meetings z'abaana nofa kinazo. Pamela kuwana abagira abaana emotion mufa kinabo. This is my work and I enjoy it. Ayechindira no mukishenje atsigwa muryango ngo hariyo meeting n'abana, and you would wonder how someone can be this amazing to people. Pamela akabashaba akaboshanga nashaba ngo ayine community worship page naza kushaba, ayine prayer meeting age ari online nashaba. All is praying, but still someone in their kindness can look at someone like that and take their lives. Pam, you were loved. We have loved you. We shall always love you. You will never be forgotten. Thank you for coming to be with us. At this note, I want to recognize my people I work with from Finn Church Aid. Thank you for following me. You followed me with Daddy. You followed me with Pamela. You are such amazing people. I have such an amazing community. Thank you so much. I feel comforted by your presence. I feel comforted by your support. May God richly bless you, and may we continue to move together. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you so much, people, for standing with us. Thank you, uncles. Thank you, aunties. Thank you for loving us. God bless you.
Very many people have eulogized Pam, but I feel like they have not done it enough. Pam was an amazing person. She was the best of us. She was kind. She was everything. Pam was our in-house pastor. I used to call her that. She introduced us to God. She had these altars. There's no phone call you'd have with Pam that doesn't end with a prayer. Every time she called you to check up on you, she'd say, Lekat Shave, as she's ending her phone call. That's the kind of person that Pam was. We are so indebted by the people that have showed up. From the moment that Pam passed on, so many people reached out. We were in hospital, seated the whole day, waiting for police to finish at her residence and then come and look at her body. And there are people who sat with us. It was hot. Our sisters-in-law, Mka Karuma, David's wife, Johnson's wife, Simon's wife, Judith, people sat with us the whole day there like they didn't have things to do. We are so, so grateful. I want to thank my siblings' employers that have continuously showed up. I thank Joel's Workplace, PAU team. Thank you so, so much. I want to also recognize the AD, Mr. Ernest Rubondo. You were with your sister. Thank you so, so much for always showing up during these times and for comforting us as a home. Thank you, PAU. Thank you very much. I thank Flora's workmates. I saw people from Finn Church Aid. Thank you very much. I also saw her previous employers, JCRC, Mwebare Mnonga, Mwebare. Thank you very, very much. I recognize Becky's employers, Farrell Mitchell in Ireland, and her colleagues from the University of Ireland, and the Greater Limerick community that's following online. Sorry, the University of Limerick and the Greater Limerick community that's watching online, that had moments of silence for Pam. They prayed for Pam through this whole period. Thank you so, so much. I also recognize, I saw people from local government on behalf of Johnson. Johnson will introduce them later. Mwebare Mnonga, thank you very much. We saw people from Khan General, Joseph's Workplace, Mwebare. It's very comforting to have a family at work and have a family at home. In times like this, employers who understand that we are going through situations like this and are patient with us and even follow us home. For UCU, you have a special place in our hearts. You have been there from the word go. You have answered every call. You have been there from day one. Mwebare Mnonga, thank you for shaping Pam into the person that she was, for mentoring her, for guiding her, and for loving her. She found a home in you. She loved you dearly. Thank you for honoring her with a very, very good farewell. Mwebare Mnonga, thank you very much. Pam, you fought the good fight. You have won the rest. The rest, please sleep in peace. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I thank you all for coming to stand with us as we bid farewell to Pam. She's in a better place today because she served a good God who has given her a great reward as his faithful servant. Thank you. I have been an emotional mess since Wednesday, but today I'm determined to woman up. A lot has been said about Pam. I want to talk about an area where Pam had the biggest influence on me, the professional area. Pam and Flora finished university before me. They got jobs immediately at UCU as teaching assistants. Both had passed really well, but for Pam, she earned a first-class degree. I remember attending her graduation ceremony, and it was clear that she had set the bar. Pam and Flora took me and my friends into their rented house then, saving our parents the hassle of paying hostel fees. They guided us. Pam particularly introduced me to a love of academia. Right after her bachelor's degree, she had plans to do a PhD. I decided to take that path, as well, just because I thought of Pam as a cool big sister whose choices were the cool thing to take. Today the rest is history. Unfortunately for Pam, she was not able to do her PhD sooner. She had quite a lot of disruptions in her life that forced her to park that dream at first. She soon got back on her feet, true to her determination, and pursued everything she loved. She balanced loving on her children with pursuing career success. Growing through the ranks at UCU, as we've heard from the VC, from a mere teaching assistant to a director of student affairs. Or like her students like to say, the coolest dosa south of the Sahara. At the time of her death, she was well into her PhD program and was doing well. Thank you, UCU team, for giving her a chance. The last few days, I have felt so proud of UCU for loving on Pam, for giving her opportunities while she lived, and going on to honor her even in death. Thank you, Professor Aaron. Thank you, or as they call you, the coolest VC. Thank you, the coolest DVCs. Thank you, the coolest management, staff, and team of UCU. Thank you very much. You will always hold a special place in our lives as a team. I'm a proud alumnus of UCU, but most importantly, it was at UCU that I got my spiritual awakening and gave my life to Christ. Keep doing good work. UCU also opened great networks for Pam, great doors. Thank you. Through her work of ministry there, she got many good friends who she brought into our lives, and we intend to keep them as family. For example, Mark and your Renew Ministries and many other groups. I want you all to know that you will always be family to us. I want to assure Noah and Elijah that we will love you. We love you, and you know that. Noah, or bro, as you like to say, Elijah, bro, you will always be my babies. I carried you as babies. I was there when you were born, both of you, and I like to tease you about that. Even when you're old men, you will still be my babies. And I will even speak the language you like I like to say lately, 6, 7, I will love you in that kind of way. And I love you very much. Thank you. I want to thank Noah and Elijah's other family, the Kateras, who have allowed us to love on them, and knowing our good relationship with you, we know that we will raise them together for their good, because I know we all love them. I want to send a word of comfort to my children, Pamela's nieces, Talia, Holly, and Portia, and my husband Patrick, who are following this event online. They couldn't be here. As family, we spoke to Pam a lot. She was also a faithful custodian of our interests in Uganda. Pat, TK, Holly, and Portia, this has been a blow, but I know we will walk the journey of healing. Finally, Pam's killers may have stolen her life, but her beautiful legacy lives on. And we, the Tunebazes, we will build on it. I assure you that our hearts may be heartbroken today. We may be angry and sad today, but we will emerge out of this stronger. Thank you all for being here. Our friends, many of them coming from as far as our different schools at primary, secondary, and university levels. Thank you. Thank you, our in-laws. Thank you, the people of Rubaya and Barara. Thank you. We love you all. Thank you.
I'm sorry, I forgot to recognize my employers. I recognize everyone else's. People from Expro, thank you so much. I haven't been in office since this happened, and you have followed me to every vigil, and you have come Mwevade. People from Sinok, where I worked before Expro, have been attending all vigils, have showed up. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone for coming. I think we will all have to be made of stone if this did not affect us deeply. This was brutal. This was hard, and it was painful. What goes on in people's minds? But then that is not for me to judge. What I can do is thank God for the kind of person Pamela was. Not just who she was as a professional, but also as a person. I know her for her compassion. I know her for integrity. I know her for her humility. I know that she never gave up on any of us when we needed her. So for me, when I look at her, I just know she has done her part. She ran a good race, and we give her to God. As we go on living, Noah and Elijah, you will always be loved. You have 4 mothers here, and there's no way we will ever move away from you. And I pray that the Lord continues to strengthen us. I think the coming days will be harder. Keep us in your prayers, and I pray that the good Lord blesses each of you. Thank you very much. I also want to thank my classmates, the people that I've worked for and with. I have seen a number around. I have them following online. I'm really grateful. I'm really humbled. And I pray that the Lord richly blesses you, especially my LLB class of UCU. Thank you.
Bantu mtsasiriho twatura kuonka tiyentumara. My name is Johnson Msinguzi. I want to thank all of you for coming to celebrate a life well lived. A life well lived. Ote Kampala tujizire vigils ibiri. But I want to tell you people of Mbarara, of Ruvaya, abantu batukunda munonga. The Kampala vigils were full to capacity. Full to capacity. We want to thank you people who stood with us while we were in Kampala. We want to thank UCU. We cannot thank you enough. The service we had there was an excellent service. It reflected how we loved our dearest sister. We want to thank everybody. You gave us a lot of your resources. You gave us a lot of your time. You sacrificed. Even now, you are still here with us. We want to thank you so much. My task was small. There are people who give us livelihood, as Tumevas is here. And those are the people that I want to focus on. But before I do that, siblings, allow me to have a special thanks to Joseph. Joseph and your wife. Thank you so much. You are the first person who received a call. You mobilized us. Within a few minutes we were at the scene. It was an ugly scene, but we thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Most of the employers have been recognized. Allow me to recognize those. I have seen Ministry of Local Government and the entire civil service. Some of us work in civil service. Ministry of Local Government, can you stand up? OF. Headed by the Principal Assistant Secretary. Thank you so much for coming. The IPP fraternity, I'm a procurement person. I have seen quite a number of procurement professionals around. Thank you for standing with us and giving us support. We have people who gave us beautiful wives. A number of us here were married. And they are ministers. We want to thank you so much for standing with us. I may not go into the details of mentioning the names, but on a selfish note, I will recognize Canon Karakure and the family. I have seen them here. Thank you so much. Apolo Rangana is here. I want to thank you so much. I have seen our dearest parents-in-law that gave us Mile. Can you please stand up? Thank you so much. Thank you. The other side, thank you so much. You gave us a wonderful lady and we appreciate it. And all other in-laws, because time is against us, all our in-laws, we thank you. We appreciate your presence. Thank you. And there are also those that took our beautiful sisters. We can't forget them. You are here. We want to thank you so much for supporting us. Last but not least, Aunt Loy. You know very well that we love you. This has taken us back, but what we can promise is that we shall love you until the end. That's a commitment that we make. Our siblings here, and we are united. Joel mentioned it, we are here to fulfill that. We shall love you until the end. Other than that, thank you so much once again. We appreciate your patience. Thank you. Our dearest Pam, may you rest in eternal peace.
Our dear mourners, Architect Muhozi Herbert is my name, and I'm the elder brother to all these people here. We agreed on how our speech would be put across, and my part was only to test to the fact that what they are saying is true. And but I'll make a few remarks on where I think I may need to do more clarification or emphasis. On the hearing of the news, as we rushed to the hospital and found the dead body of Pam, we were well supported. But most particular, I want to appreciate these brothers of mine and sisters for the quick response at that time and the cooperation that they have exhibited in all that. It took a few minutes for most of us to get from Kampala to the press. I want to appreciate the Dr. Barije children. They were not mentioned as all these people were talking. The Marians, Par, all of them were with us at that time. So I want to appreciate all of you. I'm saying it because I did not hear other people mentioning it. Like it has been mentioned, we are a family of quite many children, like you can see. And on this, I want to talk about the children, Noah and Elijah. Pam has left us these handsome, very young and bright children with whom we love and we are very proud of, who have already exhibited brightness of their mother. One of them, Elijah, has already published a book at 10 years, and we are confident that we can be able to raise, in partnership with all other stakeholders, raise other Pams. Abanyankorano bagirangu ofuzi tuburukwita kwiaho ofera nbwe burukwita hatiya
mwahora muturi abana 20. The reason we are 20 children is because of brotherhood that existed and was exhibited by our parents, particularly Muzei Tumwebaze Charles and his wife Anthony. And we are here attesting to that fact and want to assure you that through that background we have all indebtedness, duty to make sure that we enable the generations below us to also grow better into relevant human beings. So I believe we will do it. My sisters and brothers have all mentioned it. We love these children. They are all the resources to enable them grow into human beings, because the friends of PAM that are here, ourselves, we believe these children tinora ababugane barukutora umuhanda gushobere akabara kubahabura. Nimbasha abantu twena tuzomuryecho kureba ngo abana ba PAM omyaka 10 omisho twareba the real PAM alive and progressing the way our PAM did. Nyenda kusima munonga mami witu mami Roy abokuba 1 year ago muzeyi akatwarwa kandi kuyatwirwe yasigara ombigere byeye nka mama witu yazana ombigere ebya tata witu kandi ekayaguma ine obusingi. Nenda kubagambira ngo ahi muzeyi atwarirwe we are very calm. Abana no progressinga wherever they are. Abapamu murebe no bashoma PhD na nabandi they are moving very well. We are cooperating and we are living in harmony. I want to thank them and I want you people to clap for Mami Roy kureba ngo atureberire na tugaidinga tambra omuteka. Tinka ora ku basima mwena in general kureba umuryaha mwatkwasa tirenduru mwijajwa mwatkwasa mwebare munonga. Nyenda kuri organizinga abantu bache abundu kora no my work colleagues. I'm an architect. There are several architects here. There are several engineers, quantity surveyors. Abundu kora nabo umfield nimbasima kureba ngo mubire nanyi. Nyenda ku the social groups abundu ku interactinga nabo sports wise, socially, Kampala Club members. I've seen a number of you. You had a wreath, but we could not read it. I recognize you and we appreciate your support and being part of this function. Nina ku recognizing my class of Mbarai School 1992, Bariyaha, Binji, Bankwasize, they are part of me and they are part of our family. Nina ku recognizing my father, na team mpango eyargana yntungamo Ariyaha, ntumtamwestinsa kandi ntumusima kureba ngo kwa kugiye cyabaho abantu bona abakorwa batata no Bariyaha tutambuza hamwe ebirungi na nebi. Abayanjura bakazi omukazi wanje twa mwanjura Jennifer na nabandi abatayanjura konka mbonu natungira mu gishogo omucyara wanje Ariyaha na family yabo mugambaje nabo baragacha amakanda nabantu bingi Bariyaha nyenda kuba nasima munonga awa Mami Roy konka obutwazika muzeyi tukabashobora ngo aha twineho eka ibiri make as ya Mami Roy nebera munonga mbarra aha twineho ya maseturi yamushanga kandi aha naba ari in charge all the time. Natiya ahi Pamela Ferire ebiro bingi byona abantu bona baro bayabene bijaha nwabe nabakira nowe babene bashyiraho so ahita kuba turimbara ntubantu manyankunuya eka yitu ne running smoothly kandi akozera mu muhango gwe atukurize we na Anthroy twaba abantu bovunanzibwa kandi tubasima munonga kandi tubahamiza ntujaguma ntutambura nimwe kandi nshaka bahereza ekituru kubasa cyona kureba ngo twaguma eka yitu n'ubuteka. So nyenda kusima ninga kushaba government ngo ekora umurimo gwayo in brief abana babakigambireho but omuntu witu ayisirwe. Investigations are going on, some progress has been achieved. We believe some of you have seen many uniformed people with red collars. I believe they should give us more assurance or get us to how they are progressing and get assurance that we will get the justice that our PAM deserves. So nyenda kwasema mwana obwera n'ubuke ebinta shobora ninga abanye bagambaho munsasire kandi nyenda kusiyaba na Pamela mukama amuhe cyumuro kirungi.
Mwebali munonga Beklaje nimuza kumusasira. I want to take full responsibility for the time the family has taken, because I am sure without an ounce of doubt that what they were doing and others that spoke before them, they were part of the church program, except that they are not commissioned church clergy people. Because what they were doing, what I know you do for a fact, is they were giving testimony. They were giving thanks. So it means therefore when you come, you may put aside testimony and thanksgiving and maybe offer Holy Communion. Then we proceed. Before I invite the next very brief speaker, they talked about the presence of distinguished people from our security circles, and we welcome them because we know that their presence is not only comforting to us, but it shows that they are here on duty. And who knows, they may be picking one or two things that are said or people's reactions as part of the investigations in getting who and why Pamela was killed the way she was. Special Superintendent of Police Muheire Kenneth from the Directorate of Operations at Police Headquarters, we recognize your presence and we thank you. Special Superintendent of Police Vyarhanga Patrick, you're the Deputy RPC of the Rizi region, which encompasses this area. We have Assistant Commissioner of Police Nyabongo Edgar, the Commandant of Oil and Gas Police. Thank you very much for coming, and others who we shall recognize in due course. The clergy again and fellow mourners, Mwahurangu, the late Pamela had two incredible sons, although she also looked after so many and mothered them. If indeed she didn't have her two sons, the conversation could have been different. But gladly, Elijah and Noah are here. At this very painful time, you will allow me invite Elijah and Noah to come and eulogize their mother. But because Pamela did raise so many, including children of her siblings, we have a very brief message that is going to set the stage for Noah and Elijah, coming in from Ireland, from Holy Ntike, the children of Becky. So let's play that as Elijah and Noah make it here.
My name is Taya Kimberly Mugunya, and I am a niece to Auntie Pam. Auntie Pam was the nicest and kindest person ever. I have so many memories with her, but the one that I remember the most is when she would take us to church every Sunday. She was always in her lives, always smiling and laughing, and her memory will always be never forgotten. May God watch over her family as they go through this time. Amen. My name is Holocaust Mugoma, and I'm one of Auntie Palm's nieces. And from when I was young, I remember that Auntie Palm, now and Elijah were a constant joy in my life, and they brought a lot of happiness whenever I would see them. I hope that as Auntie Palm has done in us, that she can see how much we all loved and cherished her. And I hope that Noah and Elijah can go on knowing that their mom loved them and brought all this happiness to everybody's lives. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kyla Tumwebaze. Auntie Palm was more than just an aunt. She was such an amazing person. She was a mentor, a pillar, and a person who guided me to see God. We thank God for her life, and we thank God for giving us the opportunity to be part of it. May her soul rest in peace. Thank you.
Praise the Lord. My name is Elijah Matsiko. I'm 10 years old. Thank you for coming. My mom liked unique things. She likes to be happy so much. She liked praying. She was a kind person. Mom consistently read her Bible on a daily, and she taught us how to pray. We shall miss Mom till we meet again. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Noashon Matsiko, and I am 13 years old. Mommy loved God. She would include God in every single aspect of her life, even if it was as simple as cooking before she drove to school or to church or to work. She'd always pray for us before we sleep and before we go to school. She diligently read her Bible every night before we'd go to sleep. She'd always quote a verse from her favorite chapter from her Bible, Psalm 24. She would fast and pray for everything she did. I remember she would fast for us and pray that one day our dreams would come true. Mommy, she loved us. Even if she was coming back from the airport late at 2 or 3, she would find us in the chair sleeping on her bed. She'd always cover us. She loved people. Even if somebody didn't like her, she would love them either way. She was hardworking. I've never seen anybody read like Mom or research. She would spend sleepless nights reading, and she was kind to any person. I will miss Mom. Before I end my speech, I'd like to recognize my school. I saw my principal and patron here. You don't have to stand up, just wanted to recognize you. May God bless you all. Thank you for coming. Mwebale mnonga.
Abana abananyisha mubatero mu ngaro mbahamisirize kandi njya abareba ngo bakuzibeje. Pamela was not just excellent in all the other things she did, but I think she has demonstrated through the courage of these children that she was an excellent parent. And Professor Musenjes, the last time in around February last year, Pamela was nudging me with the idea of at least spending some time with you as a teacher. I don't know why, but I told her, I am gifted in many ways, but I hate marking scripts of people who one can't write properly, and many things. And she told me that is a gift that UCU will give you beyond what you think you're gifted with. I didn't realize that she seems to pass on the same scholarly skills to her children, and as you've been told, those children, one of them is already a published author. So Pamela was never mean. She tried to encourage everyone to go academic, even those who evidently cannot manage academia like myself. At this point, the clergy, I have the pleasure to inform you that I am left with exactly one speech. And to confirm that is only one speech, after inviting the next speaker, even I will exit. You will not see me again. So whichever blessings you had for me, they will come by Bluetooth, whatever. I will not be here in front of you. So that I can give you comfort that there won't be anybody speaking after this next speech. Mwene waseba na banyabo, na nishaba ngumunyikirize twakire Omukiko Roy tumwebaze. Nyina w'omugenzi aije aje bigambo bice ebyatugambira amhara hato mugenzi Pamela Ruth tumwebaze. Kaka Roy na nishaboye kwaterera, it's a very difficult moment. Konkankuku and Joy yagambire, you have shown exceptional courage in this very difficult time. And we believe that you will eulogize your lovely daughter Pamela with the strength of a woman of strength like you, and with the love of a mother no less than you.
Mwena nimbara musongo izina lya mukama witu. Onkana niyenda kumbanze muntere chweka cyo kubaza cyeshobogoro echa 2019. Niyara my God ziko nko mu runyankore. Clergy, abana ba Pamela, abantu mwena ko kumwisha kutwasa ushendekerezo mwana witu Pamela. Mukama simu abwanyu. Okutandika kantandike ntugamba nti kuna bindi yaho mukasheshe zirkwirira shaye munchi yo mu kitanda. Murumuna wanje Korina akamwicura yatahira umucenge cyanje nakangara namureba ishaha wisha gukora ki ndeba rati tema ndeba buzire cyo kugamba ntukagizo ngamera ati byabireho rero nabona murokore amushabi byabireho ikwase mukama ishe naza kugambira kigumire konka kikirize cyakiri ngo ukisha ninkico atindire kugamba ati Pamela yafa kandi ukuntangaza ejo previous Sunday tucyara kushaba hamwe Sunday at night na sister Webeki ino kutujara fellowship yitu tukashaba akaya heza kutushabisa niwe yatushabise that night yatugambire ebigambo byo kugira amasiko, ebigambo byo kusasirana, ebigambo byo kukundana, kandi arukushabira na siblings zibe ngo bagumene bakundana. So ntangara Pamela kantu mpese kushabana bunyikiro kabira tarukugamba gudashasha haba huki atubamwita bamwita uhita Pamela yananda that was my pride. Nangwa mpurira nafuka mpurira naho mani konka umutima right ogunga unyoreka ngo cyakorwa iki nicyenda kuterana ruhanga wawe uwikeza ko mushubu wawe gasimba amasho nashaba namushaba kuguma nanye namwe kabanza natongana ntumukama wande kora nagwa konka ntunga mukama gwatarira ngume nanye ntinga nahama nabikiriza nko kubyabire biri nubu nagize urubusasi konka mpurira nyine mu that comforting prayer. Pamela karyo umwana wobusingi umwana urukwetwara umwana utarukwenda clashinga na bagenzi nubundi nango kuyabi furo rubunda kamura hura konka kuyabi rubunda mutikoringa Pamela kasaro rubunda yashita maru bashubwanje unkore batarukwenda nabo kurwana. So echo ninchimusime akai namagara marunji akakora inamagara marunji akakora naye twara akana shoma akana kundo kushoma no mizano yiyabira kora okoreba ngo n'umwana are creative right from the childhood. Akaba very social abantu babiri bisho mukabona nuwe yabira ba receptionist witu kawa bitwara takayisi kakuka akari very generous akari outgiving. For example hobona biye mushanga hishomera nko kuba bagambira kazo boarding ariyo mp3 nikoroto kurya nkanyina ndondo tujuma ndeka kanze kutwara rumana wanje yishomera ko kurya ariho ndaba feeling akukurya komka kishikayo Pamela yetabana bona ugu n'umwana wanje ndeba no kuyarya ko kabure. She was that character. Nabo makayo mu secondary school nza kumwakira konka ariyo ngabwa musindikire transport tarukutekereza ngo ninja kubona ubwirwa kumwakira kuna bindi yahora kire nafu natunga kunza kumwakira nakwato mpanda kuna shireyo una mwise gutahe atazimanye sinzi zo biro nyo herize arho mwana wanje yabatekerije atakatunjire transport back atakatuzumusigire tuzumuhereze mwende bo muntu wo muri ngogwe reba busimasima kuyabira byo muntu w'umuhendo.
Thanking church.
Now, ninyabaza abantu ninyabaza sections nyinshi konka nintandukana na church munkoriro muri mu muhango go kutangaza mwebare munonga omwe twatubaronda mubura oba ba reference satu babiye bingi oba bwo kuba oba nikibasika kuba kibiri habo kuba Pamela nakora mu institution ya church kibiri cyo muhendo munonga uyatandika tuti immediate from kasheshe haro our neighbor kare yisha fire ngoro konkata kizire akabanza hizo mcharo omwe niba wito wabiye yaheza kuterwa abana be kumugambira ngo ajande umchara Ednas Marie bake kuyabira kiryaho yakaho ndeba na Reverend Gertrude Mwine okakashuru tukatandikiraho mukushaba na Kanoni Simon Mutabazi aho naho akaruka kutwika n'abandi bahora afuta abandi bakanu baruga kakoba abandi bakanu baruga All Saints abantu bakandi baruganya mityobo y'imazisa rukutura abakakoba bakandi bafollowing abamwe abana beitu then abantu bakandi baruga mu cathedral mu bishop's office kandi cyo mutano the second day kan mu cathedral bakabine mu some activities ezabire za kubikiriza kugenda hana konka din akamadijinga ukisha kutayira one evening yatera mani itwe yatushabisa yatugambire ebigambo birungi munonga yatuhumurisa. Then before we came yesterday tutungira umugisha mpango bishop ari umusafariza ryo nasi urobureberezi konka aspairingireho time y'umukasheshe atakagenzire isha yashitamani itwe yaganira nitwe yashaba nitwe yabona kugenda ntabwo cyo nimba sima munonga n'abantu bona barukire mukono bakisha bamwe abahure binshi munonga nahura naba proud of Pamela kureba na leta such type of ministry to our home ukashanga bona umuka engoro zivino mu compound simasima chika nkavurira. I'm very much proud of Pamela for following the church so much, and she was so much God loving from beginning from the start. Konkansa nkaza kurezinga ku agumise mukujunwa ariyo mu S5 achijomka ohebana tugambire bigambo byo kujunwa ohebana ahugura abagenzi be ngweno reba focused in prayers. So ubwo aho yatangire akagumza mu rugendo rwo kujunwa okusiyo bwire.
Okay, friends and schoolmates.
Aha ni nyibaza banywani be arhabunye naha arho mwana wejeje nyamwasi yagambire konka I want to recognize her family from Kabare, Mrs. Bishop, Mrs. Katwesji, the retired bishop of Kigezi Diocese. Na family mwebare kukora Pamela, I know that she was part and parcel of your family so much.
My marriage. Other schoolmates.
Na schoolmates sabanda baryaha mwena nimba recognizing mwebare kwisha kumukorata arhonka Annette Chamugambi, who has been very close to her. Nabandi abakuba barumu mukama abandi nabareba konka musasire beitu nabasima munonga mwebare kwisha marriage. Pamela kuyakusire aka tungo mushisha yashurwa nkabandi twamuhinjira yagitwa onka during her time of marriage akatunga musamu charingizi nango yabanza yahona mati yatushobora ntandika kurra rumors babeyizo no tape what konka kasyobo nako yaba open enough yatugambira atono bunshirwe ati nindeba ngumirwe yatugambira cyo nakiriya twabanza twamanjira yagaruke another time nico ndukumusimbira abo ko atararwibegingira akafa kugendera yatyo akagaruka yatugambira twonka mama tunobone n'umujara ngumisirize ateki nekine cyatona kanashobero atkatino kundije kugumisiriza kakunda twamweta yagaruka umka ko mwana kandi ndidi yagaruka umka twaguma nawe babiri na rwayishomero babiri nakora kineki ayijomka langwa nabana bo buyazire akabazara byatandikira kusisikara konka bakazarwa umko witu bwenu banamu ntubakunda nk'abana bitu ntubakunda kandi tuisha kubakunda. We will love you, we will continue loving you. Take heart, we will continue loving you. Mtisha kututina, mtisha kutweganya ngume mtunge aho marayo mu uhona mayungu ntubakunda. Abona bo bana bitu abatusigire very focused boy, progressing, promising, handsome. Kandi abana ba Pamela bo mu kubareba nabana babiri nabareberwa ki abana ba Pamela batahawogize je nibarubata jengi tuzabo zitire jo mbasi aho barukushitama bahamanya nibetegereza mwene mukama engarisi barasemu aho barasigare nimbashabira batunge keya ije kuba comforting. I know they have missed their mother so much. Kama nasha kubarinda ko habati yagamba ofuzi tubwita ofera utefaho nubwo burkwita kandi mu bantu mwaho muramvuga n'umwana wa Pamela family yanje relatives friends kandi hari nyongera kusimana UCU abo kuba abana ba Pamela babiri banka abana ba UCU aheza bahurwa hishomera abapikinga abatwara umufisa shitama nabo kusiyo gwagenda umuka ahaba na agenda nabo mwebare munonga kubakira umwishomero mu offices abantu bacara kugira umwaga babinga abana babinga twarkwendo lete muko mwana nokora konka Pamela kabareta mwamwakire mwebare konko mugiheco family y'abana babazigwemo nabo mwe bari kwisha kuba nitwe nitubakira kandi njyana twisha kwatandusa umukurebe ngo aba bana bakoraje.
God gift of Pamela. God gift of Pamela. God gift of Pamela.
Mukama katha Pamela kichoncho yatworeke birunji bya Pamela nko kumavugamba byona tindi kuza kuvugaruka munanye mwe nabigambaho mukama simire kumutwara atusigire gift atusigire abana be umwanya we ikisyo cyango ntimusimira kandi tumusimira namagarage kureba tumazoro bwire bwona nawe tukarebe birunji bye bukoreka ensiyona ndaharukora nabo kugenda nabo tubire twino mwana murunjo mukayito nangwa hatindu ku barakusima konjara kusima mukono community vice chancellor ni kusima ukataho biyogona wishe Pamela arukuzaru watu taya ira twakureba abana abarukora nabo bandi na ba bosses be babiri nibijomka abaretamu batwika binji nimba manya binji babiri batwika aborrengo rwakora narwo workmates binji bisoromka kubara kuba bine workshops kabare mbarara abinji nibijana bararomka byona nimbisimba mukama kureba babiri n'abamanyire to that extent abana bishomero binji abo mwimbiri nimba manya kwa bire na jahu yabareta bine icyo barukuza gukora up country abareta batwikaho abantu babangamira mama tekera abantu banje kacacuro twishe turiye niwe urenda afa yukureta abantu umwe ebyo nibyo Pamela atworikire kandi nshabana abandi abana bona nimwe mugezeho nareba mwine friends okay konka tumukabare soromka binchi tumukabare soromka ko Pamela abire nabareta
families okonjera mbarara
njara kwebaza n'abandi bantu family zitu za nkokonjeru umchara mbare bacana namwe barise umchara tumine konkani njara kwebaza families zabo ezabana bitu bakuzire nabitu family ya mbare bachi family ya tumine family ya Mrs Mbakure Hope Mibiru Chagiti Nondi Hope Katambu Agure tumsime Joy family aba Mr Rubasimbira amugamba tubine nyicoro nati ni mangu baryaha Mr Buchwamingi family zese soto Mr Kaganzi and Death family Diana, I want to thank you so much for your contribution. Mwe family zone swetori raha nimbasima mnonga mwe bari gukora tabana banje abahacaro zimazima kundebere namba nawo hora nashemererwa friends babana banje mwebare mutusupportingire mutushikire heyi mutuhire bintu mutuhire sendi mutukorire mwe tubasima tuta mukama bahwere abarukora na Joel Petroleum Authority nimba sima speech twagire batwajihurira twene okubakoze abantu nkabo umuntu bakama bawe uni workmates nubakora tabatyo nubakorera batyo tekembabazi mukamusima munonga ninyongera kusimaho wait ninyongera kusima Mr. Ernest Rubondo family nimanyaho one of the family members Phyllis. She's here with us and her sister and brother mwebali munonga tukujara ngu your father is an employer to Joel, but you have really gone down and become friends to us. Abandi yenda kusima another employer wa Joel, Mr. Kovshesh, Engineer Kovshesh, Doctor, thank you so much. Tukorata ukatuhikaho webari munonga. Abona mumarukora nabo, abuflora rukora nabo, Finn Church Aid, aba Joseph, Khan General, aba Becky, mukama ninkusimira abo bantu bona aba friendly to our family. Abarukora tabagenzi banywano babo bakabaretomka bakaba part of our family. Nimsima even those friends of Rachel. Some of them came to me, they turned up. Thank you so much. Naba mwabuya kozera nabo abarukora nabo nimbasima munonga mwebali munonga. Tiendo kwebwa kusima ntare Joel class from S1 to S6 mubire ndawo munonga mutukunzere munonga mutukorire munonga. If one of you kubahirize kutunga news Joel yisho mukakutekaniza ijana one of the colleagues from Tare Simeon ninkusima munonga n'abagenzi bawe bona okarakuka kwisha kumkana abantu tubosere kumukurata bakashanga nayo tukatera manabo bakashemererwa bakatwasa ninsima mukama bwanyu mwebare munonga kandi mugume mwishe mutaruha nawe ni mushaba ni muhiga n'abagenzi be kubaragume bahurire kiriyo barafuke kubahikaho tindu kubara kusimba n'abanywano ba Johnson akakora home kansombarara akansigera yo banywani be ne yarukora haruho banywani be bundu kumanya kandi umryeke nyongera kumusima munonga abwo ko aka hosinga ho vigiro no mucara we mwebare munonga kumara Kebeki tiina mani munsimire ninkusima habati atana haba ninkusima habati okwatirire barumuna bawo muringo gwona ninsima na Jen from chara wawe kweba agumera kwatanise nabo mukama sima bwanyu abana banje mwena nimba sima mwebare kwatanisa mwebare no kuguma hihi ni nanye kureba ngunu munyambo mu muringo gwona ndeba burisho mwenda kumanya ukundi kumara kabiri mutabaterire sumu ndeba mwaraka kutera ko vunamire haruhoki mbocho kibyona nibyinyoreka rukundo nyonjara kusima na kutungira obusubobu roda omuka abire na cherayo kureba okwati okumiruza tekanizubwa habwo kubari hi nisima na family ya kurugamo tunji aruhaha na sister munywano witu kandi umunyabuzare wabo bona batuberira abantu bo muhendo mukama sima bwanyu kandi umuyaba tindu kubara kusima muna abantu baro bayabona bona bangwife n'abamukubahurire mutwaferwa barurashinga omuka bebembirwe mase bija bamushendekerize mase ninkusima ogumire nitwe obire nitwe twakushikiraho nabandi bakijani yunkomburizo witwa chachaha nabandi abuyizire nabo kamurano witumi immediate niba hanu yahife kabukazi nabandi abuyizire nabo mwebare munonga kurra mwine busemasi muvunanzi bwobwe okwija kutufikaho relatives abyamba jusona eyinazirwe na hate yindi nimbasima munonga nintandikana neka yababo family jeka mbire najigambireho na nyamwabazyo mukama sima abwanyu kurena abatungire bona bo mwena kurugari benoni kwikara akatukunda nangwa neyimwashwire neyimwahinjira bishiki mukama asima abwanyu abantu tujya nabo nangwa benoni aferigwe kuyarugaha yaza kuzika umucara wa ferigwe mukamunyanya nayo yatusigaho yagenda kuza kwikayo nisima Charles kinayenzire nico nani ngamba nti even neyabishe babo barukinjirwe nabone bija buzima zumureno batwirucerera Charles webare okatwikaho muka ogumire nitugumire nuija ninjara na hati orya katono family mwebare munonga zedo gumire nitwe bine shono bataryaha bakanterera sumbashasha nanjye bagamba nanjye bankansoringa kana ubine mu murokore Dr. Sheikh no mucara we bari UK konka bakanterera sumu nambwe ni mangu bahurire mwebare munonga mwebare bigambo birunji byo kutumuruza kandi mangu mutushabira Lilian the same Dr. Lilian Butunji US nawe ngumire ningamba nawe ife namore babo ninkusima more ni mangu ofurikize ni ogumire ni itubiri kutuka byona you are always with us so ebyo byona nimbasimbere tugineyo Charles tugineyo nawe no wa nyina my late husband nawe yagenda yashendekereza beno konko mucara we bearya hubira aho abantu mwebare munonga mwakira abana bito muri Kampala kubaru kugira ubuzungo mubirucerera nimbasima bineho na sister wabo need mwebare kutwirucerera daganda maka ekayabanushu ni mangu muryaha ekayabetirijinya my husband arukuruga murubanyina Grace Nyorozi wanyinento Joy tumusime maga mukama simu abwanyu kureba mbine ya karuma mwena biri nimanye murukora Kampala babire nabangambira kumukusiba numwiruka up and down mwebare munonga kandi nyonchana nangwa no kuweroka minga n'abacara banyu mfuzama nimbasima munonga ahabwo kuba nimanya ngo barakanya no babari nitwe ombuturukora bamo kandi nyonjara kusima nanye nasara David Mrs. Sabiti mukakano Sabiti akari din wa North Kigezi Diocese we bari kwisha nakwakira kayenshe family mwena nawe bareba penno karakwa kwisha nimango inamana mabi barumuna bawe bizire banyanyoko bizire mwena nimbasima ntinde bugaricero
Others umunwa. Others umunwa.
Family yagiye. Kiriyo. Baza kunshoyeza. Tindu kwebwaho no kwakira abeka ya munwa. Nabo akari brother wa my husband nabareba esera nangwifi no muburizi owabe yari narebaho nabo no mwahurije mushendekerize nimwe nimbakira okumwisha. Abantu mwena mwena kanimba sima kantari kwisha kusima kaheza ya ubuntu amentioning nango abantu bunaye bwaneka ya tatento nawe ababtu abwine nabo abaryaha kandi hine nabo babire bashanjire kamparo ya mbereho Abraham betongeza awe ni mpamvu kintu kwaba ya mbereho Deborah kora mufiko munsimire.
I am from some families.
Abindu kurugayo ayindu kusarwa my sister yabanjora yabagamba ninyonjara kubasima kandi nyonjara busumasuma mbona am challenged abwo kuba ebimbireho byona kakuba kushemererwa kakuba kushasha nkoko banamwe mwizire mwabananye mwizire twasana mwizire twaganira mwizire twasheka mwizire twara imporanye no kushemerwa kwinje ka family ze zone twayanjora nyine mwapana ba nephews banje na ba nieces banje okuyanjora families bamberira abana bumuhendo umuryaba numuharukurwa mu Judith present rundi kutaha nawe yarebere naferwa my husband I know murumogwe yajar tumwe nkankore nindaro wawe nkaguma at least mpuri hehi oreka guma wenga Judith ni kusima baba kusimire konka ni kusima mwana ni kusima mwananje ni kusima ntine bugarukiro no muharba nieces banje na nephews banje abo abundu proud of munyemerizaho mantera maryo mantera kushemererwa hamwe n'abazire banyu bahurira Professor Mujenyi kwajya broad akarwasa nabo ni mahata turikize his following onkani kusima doctor abana bawe bisha abana babarumuna bawe bisha abana babanyanya kubona tubinaha ekayona eryaha uzimasima nimparanye no kushemererwa omuryo busasurenye nabunyemeri abanyemeriho like that haha ni nsima iba wa murumuna wanje Dr. Barike to be unfortunate my husband akatwarwa unkaba kabanza kutwarwa iwa my sister mbweni ngo tukine we bare kuguma no tangana we bare kuguma no tuhamya otuberira omuheno na family yona nabana bawubona we are one family tugumire hamwe mukama yongere kutwatanisa no kutwereza ubuheza hamwe korna we ni nkusima munonga abo kuba abana bitu oba aunt wabo special aunt no mwana nangwana pamera kanjana atona waso mwakorna kakutera utwizo umglasi atono huru watunyoshemerigwe humwira hamutuma atabo kwari kutwereza we very special so obanyango abana bitu no bakunda kandi ni mangu nibija gumuzama no bakunda uyisire ni mangu kabo munywano wa Pamela nivyebyo mukamukunda mukamutesa mwebare kumuha that good time atafire families munagana jiri
Emphasis Dr. Richards
arhona mu nywano wondi shona ngotindu kumweta munywano we abo kubaka mu hahomurumu amazire S6 akamutomu akayine clinic mbarara dental clinic ya mutamukora nka receptionist yaguma nawe Dr. Richards ninjoryaha yemerero hubire hwabantu Richards muhumuzi ahoro hubire hwa yemerero hubire hwabantu abo kuba tubire twine kandi obiryo kwija kuya gukora icyo ni cyakuzibera abari kumuhikaba mu ngambirire buzima akamuhaho mu rumono we yabandise kumuha mu rumo arjuro mu S6 atine cyari kumanya katari kumana kwandoringa sente mwanka receptionist bamuhereza no kugumana collecting sente zo mu clinic injuka Pamela katina kushisha ikintu cyo muntu. The few days kuyabinda handling that money akatari kumana ku banking sente nganye ne duko mutawuni kubabire bazumuhereza ajana ataragaza azaduka yanje atamami tindu kumaya kutware sente mu bank atiniza kusandika to batanyiba nzo muhandisha rachi papara agenda zu banki we bare Richard C niyo wabandise kuba mukama we kandi agumire nawe kandi abire nawe inkusima munonga kwebana hatu no tushika munonga
tomurubare
wekire kandi ukumanya nyine Pamela ngo nakora friends na kuyatandikire UCU yasiyobona kuyahindura yaza hu Kigali yakora na yakatutunje rero banywano bitu arho twazayo banshemiza misho twashiro wa munywano we arba mwetadeize akatahona wini Kigali mwenu mbire ndiaho tubire tushibigo turamugabera bwo kwese muyanka jendaga umusumu yanje bire tacherumu nawo twamwishura yisha aho ninjesa ukoreka yabire nazo kwabire natunga nimbore kuku eyabire naza okwabire natunga friends mwe kumbire ndiaho nyechero deise aja tushanga aha tarukumanya muhanda tarukumanya chinku yashirembara yashanga everybody yagenzere azaraho muchora akapiki arukuronde yurecho ayi Pamela arukuruga ngutungwa kushendekereze nito webare deise niwe yemereraho ohubire babantu bakurebe kandi kutwajire unkaza yondwire yatwakira munonga banywano ba Pamela batushika bagumana bijana batushango wa deise no batureba nkamara yo 1 month at one time so byone byo nimsimbira mukama areba hona tindu kwebwa ubire nitwo nteriro busumu ondabireho abona babire bakorana my late husband kibire cyo muhendo cyanyu munonga banjarana no mchara wawe Davudu banjarana we bari munonga kumanitwe babuhe family beno no bire nitwe na peace mukama sima abwa nyinje na muchana abasa kubarya kandi na Brian Yori, thanks so much. I have received your message. Then Wangwara family abana be barya hano gware yafire na wakari boss wa my husband of ministry konka okunyana family zezo ejo na character ya Pamela ninjane yish abo kuba buyabira kora nabo ababire bamukozesa na family zona zikazisha zigumana zitoronda twinaha na mchara kabagambe bakozere hamwe nabanda baswipe yakozere bona nko batushikire nko batwire contributions mwe bari munonga mwera nimba recognizinga harimo na family yo mchara ndiku then hariyo family ya Bears ababire barubanywano ba family na hata abakero banywano ba family Bears na Mebo mwe bari munonga omuchara karhanga weno mwamu wenu babire bari God parents ba Pamela onko muchara tumwinaha muhara wawe we bari kutukorata insima omwamto murubare from Fort Portal old time friend wa my late husband mwene byona nibinyereka rukundo kwa abantu nkawe b'imyaka ejo yone nyimba bagumire no batukorata we bari kwija tomu we bari munonga mbweni ori ndoro nsima mukama abwa magara ga Pamela nsima mukama abwe birunje bitureviro mu Pamela ntabwo bundi kuri yafira rumuto tukanu tuferwa kureba uburunje bwa Pamela bari mu gihe bibona Pamela humuraje Pamela mukama agumara umukamo.
Mukama nanjirati, Mukama nanjirati, nyowe ndi hamwe niwe, orete putiro bora, omurete bora, omurima nini. Tendereza tuachire umuyobozi tendereza Yesu arabandika Yesu amsaye aigarazi Twaenda mtumba hata achire mama na nabo yanjuriye nombe no murimo gunaza kutwara nigume niza kwanjura umuntu umwe kandi umuntu umwe yanjure niwara twakize mureberezi nabanyera kubashaba ngo abemba bazi n'uturabe tufenyine umureberezi na mama ukwisha kutumuriza kandi ko kubira batukireho tubakiye kwa byo kunda kwani tubatera mu ngaro abo kubayine binji yategana kandi yerishi mbono mukamanje mureberezi patito muranga nabanyenda kumanyisa ngo abantu abamba kunda abahanga kandi bakwatanisa n'icyo na family kandi mu cyuma cyona bakikozere mbona icyo ngo nsaba dukoni nishabo mwandike yaciye mayaga bitu Gariani wazagashango mbandicho kandi ndikondera nindebe mukamanje mwandicho murebezi yampukire bayesa ni sekretary wivandikana Edison Abasa kasha bitu mwachire mukwaso muzindaro kandi waratwachire murebezi na mama bero bakatufumurisa mukama abaherezo mugisha abandi abahereza n'abanjire umwana mutaka ikiraha
yabari munonga Canon Danson eshaha zagenda program neza gumiza muntu twerero kuhendera obutumwa umurebereza inobu yabahandikire konkantu za kubukwasa family ebyababera umwe naija kubyegambira mwene tatito mu ruhanga murebereza witu wankore wa katano Right Reverend Associate Professor Fred Sheldon Mwesugwa onkereze nkwakire rero ije otuhumurize tukute tendereza Yesu Yesu ori mwana gwanirwa Yesu Musa zane baza Yesu mulokozi mukamarango ushoboroza ubona tweda kwe kwasombwira ubugumire obo kushendekereza umwishogu Pamela kandi no bwire bugumire nibyo gamba kabire bitaruho konka oruhanga witu kandi ukaturaganisa izina ryawe uri Emmanuel amakuru gacu ngo mukamara hamwe nitwe yongera kuba nekeji iyo mugenzi tumwebaze yongera kuba na nyina w'umwana ogu yongera kuba n'abanyabuzahare bona abana be nabine shagama eyinaka kwati nekeji mukamara hanga ubushobozi bona tereze yo ikigambo kigufu dero tushendekereze izina ryawe ryengere kimbiswa Kristo kama witu
amen
kama simwe nimbanza kwetonda abamweni babasa kuteka ngo bishop agizire ngo mutegereze batashendekereza ataro nyo nanyizere kushika family kandi mbashoborire nyumwazi yo mukasheshe ntinyo nyine program yinkuzamu tinkagemereza mbashyireho n'abashabira n'abahumuriza kandi n'abaraganisa ngo niza kwijagamba n'abana abasigazi bari ya bombi nicyo cyandeta konka kuma n'abashangisera zaha najya Karen Checho nangwa ba mukono mbateriyo message nabagira ngo mumanyisaba kuteka no manya abantu bumwe ba Kampala nibakira kore byabo kuno yitwe tuba kutubaramo aba mukono mbagambire vice chancellor muteriyo message ntobagambira boko nti Sunday umbureberezi bwa nkore bazika shamunana umbureberezi bwa nkore kiriyo mu synod umberagero byaci kandi mukono nibo begesa nibo batshomisa nibiragero na kibyona koga no shanga bamwe muri bo mbaje kandi aba abweke bakatahebe itukuri yabakatshomisa kugenderaje aho kuba tukashita matwate kateka twagira ngo omusynod abantu babanze bashabe dero bazike abo kuba kuzika tukushaba tukushana babanze bashabe umukanisa bije bakoreke bazike yabere Sunday ebere bindi twineshonga konka mugume mbamanyise kandi nawe Kampala mugume mweruze abantu bo mucyaro mwetegereze byayo kandi nke kanisa ntkonse chikanki 15 zonka na hadi ndi hikwendera konkimwe tinkumanya ubumwatandika tikumanya konkanyo ndi hikwendera omwishogo genzire natashobize ninye na muhiro murumo omba mu recruitingere Uganda Christian University akari mu Department of Languages akijariyo mweji teaching assistant yaba lecturer n'ibindi byayongeraho atinkumanya bamweni jabagenzere nanse ko busingi ari aha nasa kuba yagenzere ndebereho ba faith babasa kuba bagenzere abo mu Department ya Education batekwa kuba kwiha umishyo gwafa bataha nibeziringa hanbe torora nibatekwa so ni mmanyeje mnonga imyaka yone inahereze mukono 5 nkaba mwine arukunda mukama ebyemberebere na samone yaburiye niyo mwazi yo kumpikire yo mukomu kunshabere n'abantu aba kibo mushara zanje babire bariho mbire nisha bangu mukama tugirire mbabazi umuntu okoze reki bamukwate kumpikire mwabazi yo nariba message nguba mukwasire haleluya amina icyo nekintu kikuru habwanje taro kikushemeza nkecho kandi police emirundi mingi omu Uganda umwe tubani tuganira nabandi yo muka kuba kugira ngo police tandikiro murumo gwayo ogwo kunonyereza umanye ngo file closed file what kuba kugira ngo batandikiro koraki okuchondoza umanye ngo file bagikinga kanyesi gengwe gifile tekuza koraki chingwa Hariho mshijori yoba obisire wayendera something or compassion na hati nangwambire ngenda mbuze abayo bishi noshoti bakabakwata hakabahoki omushijo guba kamwitira hakabahoki nikirungi kwetegereza mbwenu nico njo kureba ngo bamukwasire abakora cyo nkiza kwera abantu emitima kubagaruko mu nteko taro kintu kibi ko gumano rero mutoka yabogo no yisero muntu waje yabogo no yamwisere yabogo no yamwisere ogunarebe kanko wisero muntu waje ogunarebe kanko wisero muntu waje oshanga abantu mbarwanagana nibangana kandi ubundi uba kuteka tikiro ubundi ataruwe tokamanya mbene mukama twase bishoboke ruhanga no mushano muri wetarumwema 1 John 1:5 God is light, in him there is no darkness. Mbena atweri bishoboke kandi ubwo kozirecho ayetise ashemeze kandi twege ekitwa kwasa kugenda nacho Matayo 5:8 mugire emitima eshemire Matayo 5:8 nejerangu beino mugishabi n'emitima eshemire bariyare barahanga. Blessed are the pure in heart, they shall see God. If you are not pure in heart, you will not see God. Katshabe mukama arahanga obushoborozi tukushabangu omwana wa ogu koko ari na yehero bujurizi ahumura musinge kandi yongere kutwera aba bakozere iki ubwo kozere iki kukwa kushoboraje niki abire nafaki kandi amuherwa habiyona n'abazire n'abanyabuzari batereka n'umutima betegerize niki ubundi hatabireho kucemaja ubundi nahiza kubire zitari yongere kube nitwe abana aba abo mugenzi ntubashabira mukama nabo batebekanise ubarunda rundi nyina wo mwana ogu abakuzarwa nabo mukama oyongere kubuzo mukomo amesho tugeha pamera tugatahariwe otuhumurize izina lyawe ryongere kwimbisubwa Kristo mukama witu kandi obusinge bwarahanga burengere kwetegeza ko muntu wena burinde mitima yanjye no bwenge bwanyu mugumende mu manyarahanga kandi mukunda no mwana Yesu Kristo mukama witu omugisha gwarahanga obushoborozi bwona tateitwe no mwana no moyo kwera gumeri mu mwena hati nebero byona idachi kazi ngai mwana mubara munana kare imwe mugume mugambi
twaza kuza ajuye mtura kandi abafamile bamanyisa restricted antafunzwe naza y'abafamile bonka abafamile bonka ba cross family mbani church yaza kwelembera kandi abafamile service bakwatana mtumbi bero n'abandi abafamile bakwata mtumbi tugende kwaya ibyoma tibuka kayo nsafutambira hamwe ibyoma umuzindaro n'usigara